How to recover line password. So for that you need to open your line account, and now as you can see there are two options: login. They press this second option, login with another method. Now as you can see we have three ways we can log in or you can recover your account. So first one is from phone number, second one is Apple ID, third one is from your Google account. So if you are someone who is trying to log in from this account, so you don't need a password, you just simply tap here, select your Google account from here, and you will log into your account. However, if you are someone who is trying to log in from your phone number, you will require a password. Okay, so let me show you how you can recover your password. Okay, tap here, now press your phone number. Now it will send you a code. Just type the code here, and so once you have typed the code, it will ask your account. Yes, this is my account. Now here you will need to type the password. So if you're watching this video, then of course you have forgot your password and you want to know how you can recover it. Just tap this option, forget your password, reset your password, and now you will have to type the email address. I know most of you guys has forgot your email address as well. You may have lost your phone in a lake, or you may have, a thief came and stole your phone. Now you want to recover your account. So this is where you need to type the email address. So for example, if you forgot your email address, then there is a way. It's 50-50 way. And if you remember your email address, then congratulations, it's easy for you. Just type your email address here and okay. After that, they will send you a code in your email address, and then you will be able to log into your account. However, if you are someone who has forgot your email address, there is only a last hope for you guys. Just tap here, and then line will show your email address like this. Okay, so for this is the email address. It will show you the first words and then the last words, and @gmail.com. So if you somehow remember your email address from this code, okay, so if you somehow remember your email address from here, try to remember and then try to press enter your email address, and then try to log into your account. So this is the only way you can do it, or there is none other ways. This is the only hope for you guys. So it's a 50-50 method if you forgot your email address, because this is important for you. You must remember your email address in every social media account. If you forgot that's difficult for recovery. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.